Hello, I'm Scott from Trilogy Mentors, and today I'll be giving you a guided walkthrough of our online classroom and how to use its features. The session begins once both the instructor and student click the Enter button. Upon joining, we're first taken to the video screen. This is basically a video chat that you can use to communicate with your student before or during sessions. If you hover over the video box in the bottom right, you'll see a microphone and video symbol. These are used to toggle the audio and video feeds coming from your end. When colored red, the feed is off, and white when the feed is on. Now look to the left and you'll see the chat area with a tab above that lets you access classroom and portfolio files. This chat and file area is available across all screens used during our sessions. Above the chat, you'll see a timer counting the duration of the session, followed by a blue refresh button next to the end session button. Once the end session button is clicked, the session concludes and prohibits reentry. Now, if you look left of the chat, you'll see four symbols, the top one currently highlighted. This is where you navigate between the different tutoring screens we have available. The screens from top to bottom are the video screen, writing board, drawing board, and screen share. At this point, we're going to move to the writing board. This is basically a shared Word document used to review and craft writing. You can copy and paste text to and from this page. Above the writing area are the writing tools. Their functions are bold, italicize, underline, brackets, color tool, and last, the copy to clipboard tool, which copies all text in the writing area. The bold, italicize, and underline functions need to be applied to selected words, but the color tool can be clicked before typing or applied to a selection afterwards. Now we're going to move to the next screen, the drawing board. This screen offers the most flexibility when it comes to tutoring. Here you can use the marker to draw with control over line color and thickness, or you can create text with the text box tool with control over text color, size, and font. The arrow is used for selecting, resizing, moving, and rotating objects. The eraser is used to erase anything you've created on the drawing board. And we have the garbage can at the top right. Click this to clear the entire drawing board. To the right of the garbage can is the resizing tool, which allows you to change the dimensions of the drawing board if there isn't enough space available. You can also upload files to the drawing board here, but we'll cover that more in depth in a later video. And lastly, I want to showcase the screen capture function located on the bottom left of the screen. Both the instructor and the student can use this to take a photo and upload it to the drawing board. This is extremely useful for turning physical files into workable online documents. You have two options for taking pictures, immediate or with a 3-second timer. Upon pressing share, screen captures appear in the classroom files area and can be dragged and dropped to the drawing board from there. The final screen we have is the screen share. Both the student and instructor can share their screen here by pressing the blue share screen button at the top. Upon clicking this, you are presented with three options: your entire screen, application window, or Chrome tab. As you can see, the entire screen option shares everything on your monitor, while the application window and Chrome tab lock on the window or tab you select. Well, that wraps up the Trilogy Mentors online tutoring platform. If you have any questions, concerns, or feedback, you can contact us at support@trilogymentors.com. Thanks.